Hindi ko alam if magiging quick intro to. Yun yung goal. Quick lang. Kasi yung vlog na to, wala kasing proper intro. So, here. I really want to express kasi kung ano yung nafe-feel ko for this vlog, for this experience. And, kikringe ako. Gusto ko lang i-express kung gaano ako ka-thankful for this experience. And kung gaano ako ka-thankful for the people na nakasama ko sa experience na to. Including yung mga kapwa ko OJT and yung mga senior ko na mekaniko. As in, super thankful and super grateful. And super thankful ako na even after OJT, yung bond na na-build during OJT is dala pa rin even nung tapos na. Super nakikringe ako, what the fuck? Pag napanood to ng mga senior ko, sabihin, ano ba ang drama? Pero, kasi, gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Pero bakit ako nakikringe? Gusto ko lang magpasalamat! I'm super thankful na they are kind enough to let me vlog. Like, may dala pa akong tripod during OJT. And they are supportive enough para videohan pa ako. Imagine, yung mga clips ng vlog na to, sila mga nag-video nun. Either ka-OJT ko or senior ko mismo. So, wala. Super thankful talaga ako kahit nakakahiya na binibidyohan nila ako kasi ba't ko sila inuutusan? Parang ganun. Pero yun, super thankful talaga. Naiiyak ako! Ang OA. Hindi ko in-expect na magsaserve as closure yung OJT experience ko na to because I realized kasi na hindi yung course yung reason kung bakit ayoko na, but the environment itself. Kasi at school, hindi ko talaga gusto. And wala. Nung na-try ko dun sa pinag-OJT-han ko, super nagustuhan ko yung environment. And nakatulong yun para mag-grow ako. Yak! Hala! Hindi kasi ako ganito eh. Hindi ako ganito eh. Ano pa ba? Ayun, super thankful ako for my seniors kasi they are patient enough para turuan ako sa mga hindi ko alam, which is lahat ng bagay. As in, lahat ng bagay. Ang corny sabihin, pero nabalik yung spark ko. Legit! Naiiyak nga ako. Super emo pa ako nung ine-edit ko to because I've never seen myself that happy. Hindi talaga. Ay, ang OA. And again, I'm super duper thankful sa experience na to and for the people around me. Ayun lang. Cringe! So cringe. Okay. Tapos na ang emo hours. Balik na ulit sa pagiging me.
On my old name, only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desire. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. tell me how you feel inside. You a real ass woman and I like you.
Pababayin mo na lang ako dito.
I need to inspire, I don't wanna fight. Look, you know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet.
Yung pagkain nandyan na? Dadating daw po yun ng 5 eh.
Search mo ba yan? Mag-search no?
Okay, solid. Ganda naman eh ito. Sir. Uy, nagcha-charge pala ako. Hindi ko mais. Asan silang lahat? France, is that you? Come here. Say hi. Ang ganda ng camera ni Sir. Okay, lakad tayo. Lakad, lakad. Whoops. Doggy. Doggy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Nakakatuwa naman to.
Sir Kenneth yan?
Oo, gagi ang ganda niya. Kitang-kita lahat, no? I like it. Daya! Ang daya nyo! What the hell?
Kasama tayo lahat?
Bra, sama naman kami! Kasi mo naman na po. Pero wala ang picture na ganyan eh. Magkakasama tayo.
Parang ayaw-ayaw ko.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ay, sorry. Bad trip na si Jim.
May pagkain daw sa gitna.
Ah, sa gitna? Sige, ako na. When I say jump, you say how high. I'll get the food. Nice one, ma'am. Ang ganyan. Hindi, Sir Kenneth po to. Ulo, ulo, ulo! Andiyan na po yung pagkain daw? Ay, andun na po. Papunta na po. Ano si ma'am? Ma'am, angkas mo ako? Baka mamaya masemplang tayong dalawa eh. Okay, let's go. Wait, wait. Teka lang, mama. Wait lang. Go na, ma'am. Nakabahan ako sa'yo eh.
Akala mo ba marunong ako magmotor?
Yeah! Ano ba kina? Kinabahan pa ako dito kasi sa kaninang lipat eh. Okay na, ma'am. Matakot ako sa'yo. Wait, bababa po ako. Thanks, ma'am, for the ride.
Bakit na yung pinuntahan mo nga ako dun para sumakay eh?
Okay, babalik na tayo. Hi, ate! No cell. Last day na namin. Eto sir, ano yung sinsili mo sir?
Nakikita mo yung dumi?
Abo, ayan.
Ay, yung dumi, di ba?
Lahat yan, lahat na. So dirty. Happiness over us.
Revert mo AD.
Dapat umabot siya na.
60 dapat. Isang weekend doon.
Mas madali yung sa bike.
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me once. Come and see me once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. How she hit me with a come and see me once. Come and see me once. Oh, y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga tryna play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and now it's paid. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place.
Yes, hello! Bakit ka na parang napabad trip? Hindi kami magtatrabaho, guguluhin lang namin si Chris. Guguluhin lang namin si Chris! Sige, magtrabaho ka na, boy.
Nagsasama kayo kayo.
Gusto nyo aircraft tour?
Nagsasama kayo kayo.
Ay, sino yan? Sino yan? Mahirap yung pwestuhan
Kulang
din.
screw ko? Kulang.
Ano yan?
Kulang screw.
Ay, di umiti ka na lang sa vlog. Yeah! Yay! Look at the tools!
Pagpasensya nyo to.
Sobrang pogi! Taga nga, ayos na.
Nakatawa na kayo ng mga OJT.
Okay, ano ba lesson for today?
Mababa na kayo.
Any last words? Kasi last week ko na ngayon, no?
Wala, ewan kayo.
Any last words?
Wala.
Wala bang last words para kay Riel?
Wala.
Para kay ano, JC. Kaya mo talaga? Okay, babalik na nga kami dun, boy. Bye-bye! Hi, Gail! Uy, kailangan mo. Hindi pa rin paano pa hindi ko. Ginagawa niyo ang pati mo? Papaalis lang siya ng ano? Tao? Hindi, ng...
What the? Damn! Wait. Ang masama. Teka nga.
Nagpe-play na to, sir?
What the? Sir, nangangain ng taba. Ano ba? Ay, sorry.
Sugot. Yun, yung mga picture ng gawa ka ako, yung isin mo, hindi mga selfie.
Ay, ganun ba? Tugina, sorry.
Pwede ka na tawagin eh.
Sir, ba't baliktad? Sir, ba't ganun kailangan na ganito para maging ano? Landscape.